How to make QR code for WhatsApp group. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. The first thing you should do is to simply log in or launch your WhatsApp application. Then you have to look for the group that you have created, or let's just say you can only do this tutorial if you are the admin of this group. Tap the group and then look for this three dots at the top right corner. Tap this one. Now click group info. Here you have to scroll down and look for invite link. Okay, so tap this invite by link. After you tap this, then you will see options and how are you going to invite people on this link. You can copy, you can share, and then you can also click this QR code. Once you tap this, and then this is the QR code. And if you want to share this QR code, you just have to click this share icon at the top. And then here you can share this QR code to anyone who's using Messenger, Instagram, Gmail, Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok, InShot, Google Drive, Snapchat, Telegram, and so on. Okay, so once you send this one, this is what it looks like, and all they have to do is just simply click this link, and it will take them directly to that group that you have created on WhatsApp. Okay, so that's how easy it is to make QR code for WhatsApp group. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.